Battleship.
BattleShip.
We are gonna play Battleship.
That's right. Sorry. So this is a new grid system in that it's hexagonal, unlike the traditional Battleship where it was all squares. This is a really great game that teaches grids, A3, I-16. These are all useful things to learn how to plot on a graph, and so this is a great early math concept. And it's a lot of fun. All right, so Wes. K3. G for golf.
G what?
2.
Miss.
What did I do to win?
Peak.
I did not peek. Hit and sink.
That I already did that. So you put red dot. I choose
Are you peeking?
B.
B5 is on your side.
Yes. Oh, I knew that.
Are you cheating? Because you can see my side up on the screen?
No, I can't see the numbers. What about that? I can see the ships, the green, and the blue. I can't see the numbers. I don't even see them. I see them. And that is 4 now. Whose side is on the screen?
Mine. But it's a mirror image to yours. I'm going to point to M7 too, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Are we pointing to the same spot?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So if you're seeing my stuff over here, yeah? Let me just so that people can see at the... And this is kind of nice because we can see how close we were.
We're gonna keep playing.
Well, I don't know. I know where all your ships are now.
But you know what letter they were at?
You have a 01 and 02?
Yeah.
Yeah. But
But
it's a good game. And Ari's getting fussy, so I gotta go play with her now.
I'll go play with her.
Okay,
I'll
hey, before we go.
Don't forget to subscribe. I am Wesley.
I'm Mama.
I am Aria.
Hop back in.